Good day, YouTube. This is Jay Money with Falling Forward Financial. Just an update here on World Series of Golf, ticker WSGF. I covered this one back on the 18th, so just a week ago. This has been a popular penny stock here lately. A lot of people have been talking about it, and it's got a lot of good things that just came out. So here's kind of a look over the last month. Had kind of a nice run up from a penny on up to 5 cents, almost 6 cents, and now it's currently sitting at 3 cents. Here's the previous close. Market cap of small, very small market cap. This showed 2.01 million. And so I got some other information here to go over. I'll go a little bit depth on what the company is, what it's all about, and everything. So again, World Series of Golf, WSGF. Here's kind of look at the day's low and the high from a 0.0231 to a 0.0352. Again, this one trades over the counter, so if you're looking to purchase this one, I always recommend Fidelity to begin with, because they don't charge a commission. If you can't get it there, try TD Ameritrade, but they're probably going to charge you a commission, or Schwab or E-Trade, or you should be able to get it on any of those brokerages. But this bar chart doesn't really have too much information here on WSGF. So we'll take a look here. Again, here's kind of the 1 month, the week, and see if we can find some financials on this one. I'm still researching this one. I just come across this one last week, and I think I was thinking of a friend of mine and mentioned golf on it, so I think some people took it as it's a golf video, but it's not. We'll go over that in the description here, but so maybe it got edited incorrectly, but anyway, I did make a video on this one about a week or so ago. And I'll link that in the description as well. So I had some information come out yesterday. I was going to do this last night, but didn't get it done. So WSGF announces new user sign-up starts tomorrow, which is actually today, for the Vaycaychella app to make vacation rental property purchases more accessible. So Dallas, Texas, World Series of Golf today announced the launch of its peer-to-peer P2P fintech alternative short-term rental purchase finance application called Vaycaychella, and I went over that in one of my previous videos, and so here's kind of a look at it. So the P2P app, to view an enhanced version of the graphic, you can go to this website, and again, you can find this on Yahoo Finance. So it allows anyone and everyone to access to purchase short-term rental vacation property that can be listed on Airbnb, VRBO, and Booking.com. So it's an app, and so that's basically what it does. Lets buyers create a profile to present their own talent and experience, in addition to presenting the potential of the property to generate income. And so I've had a couple friends that have done Airbnb. They've stayed at them and rented their place out, and so it's kind of interesting. One of my friends had a place downtown and would rent it out over the College World Series that'll be coming up here in I think 2 weekends here in Omaha, and was renting his place out. I think just a 2-bedroom for like $500 a night, and I think on the overall span of a year between other holidays and stuff like that, I think he brought in about 20 grand from what I remember. So it's a way to make some money. So anyone can register as an investor, individuals or institutions. And so I'm not going to read all this to you because I got some more information to go over, but the Vaycaychella app can help entrepreneurs finance property purchases in California and Florida, for example, as well as financing property purchases in Cuba and Kenya. Vaycaychella is particularly enthusiastic about bringing P2P finance to the world's developing economic regions. And like I said, I'm still researching this one, trying to find some more information on it. I just come across this last week, so but feel free to pause and go over the rest. So the $1.6 trillion global travel industry is one of the largest and fastest growing business sectors, and it's just going to probably take off this summer. There's a lot of the our mask mandate is lifted here in Omaha today, so I don't know if that means now or at midnight, but I haven't been out to a store, but maybe later I'll give it a try. But last 2 weekends I've been in Walmart, I haven't wore a mask anyway, so screw it. Tired of it. So WSGF acquired Vaycaychella last year and made Vaycaychella its primary business focus. Is in the process of changing its name to reflect the new business focus. Vaycaychella, prior to being acquired by WSGF, built a pilot alternative finance business for short-term rental vacation properties, backing a portfolio of beach rentals in the Caribbean. And that would be awesome to be there right now. Vaycaychella built a portfolio valued at $1.2 million. And so expand its portfolio since coming under WSGF, notably adding a boutique hotel in Havana, Cuba, expected to be opening soon. And so I would assume this one will be growing here. And so the app goes live today. And like I said, I would expect this one to be growing here throughout the summer, because a lot of the mask mandates are going to be lifted. People are going to want to travel. Been pent up, but there's still a lot of people that probably won't travel just due to the CV-19 fear. But I'm over it, so moving on. Build your own vacation property rental business, and this is what it looks like here. So you have what it takes. Feel free to pause and read that for yourself. Finding the right investor. You can rent your own properties on these sites: Airbnb, hotels, Booking.com, VRBO. Get started today. There's no commitment, pressure, or obligation. So if we clicked here on get started, let's see what it does. As you fill out some stuff. So yeah, I haven't filled this out yet. Might take a moment and do that at a later time outside of the video, and then make another one about it at a later time. But if you have downloaded it and using it, go ahead and put that in the comments. That would be interesting to know. And any other information you have to share on this company that we can all use together would be interesting as well. So WSGF invites Rentrepreneurs and investors to register today to new Vaycaychella Alt Vacation Rental Property Purchase Finance app. And as you can see, this is just dated today, this morning, so just a couple hours ago, 3-4 hours ago. So it invites short-term vacation property rental entrepreneurs or rentrepreneurs and investors looking to back short-term vacation property rental income opportunities. To register on WSGF's new peer-to-peer, P2P fintech, which I've been doing a lot of fintech here on the channel. I just did a fintech video about an hour ago, so you'll be able to find that in the library as well. Alternative short-term rental purchase finance application app called Vaycaychella. And so to view an enhanced version of the graphic, go there. Here you can go to the Vaycaychella website. So again, kind of some of the same information, again on Yahoo Finance. It was kind of hard to find anything outside of Yahoo Finance, but here's another one just after about an hour or so released after the last one. Extra customer care to help entrepreneurs and investors build short-term vacation rental property businesses. And so looking back into a short-term vacation property rental income properties and so on, go here to click to the Vaycaychella.com and register. We're taking our time in the launch of our Vaycaychella app to make sure everyone that signs up gets the support that they need, which is a good thing, instead of just having them go in and just having a bunch of numbers. It looks like they're taking care of their clients, so that's good to see. We're invested in having good online support available to users before we launch the app, and now we're registering everyone first with our online support before they log onto the app for the first time. Our support team will be available online every step of the way. So that is very good to hear, especially on a penny stock and a new app, so they're wanting to keep their clients and keep them happy. So Vaycaychella allows anyone and everyone access to purchasing a short-term rental vacation property that can be listed Airbnb, and we already covered that. So I'm going to scroll through. Feel free to pause and go over the rest. Again, on Yahoo Finance. Over here to StockTwits. Please don't miss any of the responses to my plums. It's not funny anymore. Let's see if we can find some relevant information here to help us out anymore. Let's go bulls. So lots of bulls on this one since I started looking at it. It's kind of an interesting stock, and penny stock at that. Just like Apple, Microsoft, and Tesla. Hurry up. Explode just based on the progression of the stock. Can be bought out too. I slapped the ask. Down 70% in 1 week, and awesome compared to 5,000 plus in the next few months bulls. Sweet. So if you're looking to get into this one, I'm gonna place an order and get some shares of this one. Again, I don't give tax, legal, or trading advice, but this is definitely the ground floor, I would say. Just my opinion. You'd have to look at it however you feel, but hope all the lungs are taking advantage and loading up here. And so yeah, I think this one is gonna take off and go up over the summer. We'll just wait and see what it does here, but this is kind of a look at it here today. So of course, I don't know what's going on there. Somebody might have been taking profits and then it went down, so missed that dip, but it's still not too bad of a price. So put in a limit order and see what we get. So if you have this one, go ahead and list it in the comments, and list how many or what your cost basis is and how many shares you have, and any other information you have relevant to WSGF, and that we could all share. And like I said, I already covered this one, and it's got kind of the same information in there, but you can go ahead and take a look at that one as well, and I'll keep researching this one, see if I can find anything else. And if you haven't smashed that like button yet, go ahead and hit that for me, and hit the bell so you're notified of when the next videos drop, and subscribe if you haven't already, and slap that ask. So again, this is J Money, Falling Forward Financial. Happy trading, happy investing, stay green. Cheers.